Long time no see, everybody.
Yeah.
How you doing? You like this kitchen I built by myself? I was here for the whole thing. You guys just didn't see me. I was in the shadow. I was just putting the screw in there right here, you know? I'm just kidding.
Okay.
A lot has changed since I've been in this camper.
We have built a kitchen.
You're so generous.
Right.
We built this camper. I was here the whole time, yeah.
So yeah, we have built a kitchen, and we're gonna roll this video with a step-by-step how to build a kitchen from cheap material. And for new viewers, this is a 2003 box trucks GMC Savannah, and it has a 2017 aluminum box on it, and we are converting in a little tiny house on wheels because we want to go travel Canada and America and see what's out there. My name is Robert, and
Slim Shady.
that's my beautiful wife Ashley. Alrighty, let's jump in the video.
Okay, bye.
So the counter is attached now to the wall. I made straight as possible. Tried to make it straight as possible at least. Pretty sturdy. And now we're gonna do a little siding here from these planks. And we'll see how that goes. Ashley is raking the leaves. Outside is very beautiful weather, 8 degrees. Beautiful. And then here, I'm gonna put inside. Inside there, I'm gonna have those LED lights, and it's gonna go all around.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
We have a countertop! Finally! Don't have to cook on the tires anymore.
And now I'm doing measuring pieces because I'm gonna make another stud here. So this is behind the wall, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Measure, cut 2x2s, put it on, and then put a plywood on it. So I'm gonna cut off this elbow because it's sticking out, and then I'm gonna redo it again. Open it, baby. Hello. It's another beautiful day outside. On today's plan is to do this wall. I haven't come with ideas or something, but I definitely want to cut out a little door here because behind there's a lots of open space. Okay, we did some measurements. Fingers crossed, all good. It never works like that. But yes, we're gonna go and try to draw the thing there. Hope for the best. So I grabbed this thing. So if I put here in a corner, it should make me nice, beautiful round edge. All the life hacks here on this channel. Not. Oh my god, look who's coming. Look who's coming.
That's cool.
Ashley's
I
here.
thought you would have the heater on and everything going. I was ready to be warm.
Baby, it's 10 degrees outside.
I'm getting the winter coat.
Put some jacket on. The camera girl is right here.
Hi guys, it's my first day. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's like a commercial. Hey guys, you want to buy ride?
This is the Jigsaw. This is the very first tool we start to use for this build, and this is my very first tool I bought for this build. And I didn't know how to really work with it. I don't understand. Oh my god. What are those? What is this? No, really. I really don't know how to use this properly, but I know you just put it in like this, right? But that time when I bought it, I bought this one, and I know these things, some few of these things are for precise cuts. So we're gonna take it out and test it.
Let's go. Oh.
Oh, I guess we need to plug it in.
Wow.
We don't have those battery fancy tools. For one moment I thought we were cool.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes. Baby, you think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily. And I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. Pretty brown skin, baby, I can see the summer on you. You see all the bread and I know.
So the next door is ready for hinges. So I am using PL. This is a, I don't know, it's a glue for all kind of things. So I'm just gluing all these parts. And then I'm just gonna stick the door on it. If you have other techniques how to install hinges or on this kind of door, let me know please in the comments down below, because this is the only idea I could come up. I need to put these tiles under, but I don't know how good it's gonna stick to the plywood, so I might use PL glue, what I used for those hinges which you saw earlier. But it should look very nice, and I would like to put these tiles all over till here. And if I'm honest, I would like to continue these tiles as well here, so it kind of looks nice. But again, then I have these doors here, and it's just been this day being a little bit like thinking and how to do it, and it took me a long time how to do those hinges, and it's just very slow. These little detail jobs are very slow, and I'm not very fast with it all. It kind of drags down the mood for the build, and I don't know. Let's get those tiles on the wall. Oh boy, what have I done? Maybe I should leave it till there. We didn't film on the camera, but we applied epoxy on these edges and as well on the sink edge here. But I was out of the mixing cups, and the mixing cups I cut out from the plastic bottles, but the plastic bottles doesn't have even flat bed, so it didn't mix good the resin. So what it means, it's a little bit sticky. It's not soft, but it's sticky as a sticker, so that's not good. So it's easy fix. You can just apply another layer with a good mixed epoxy, but I need to go get a mixing cups, but I'm not gonna wait for it. Actually have 1 hour spare time for me, and we're gonna try to install the sink. And these are the brackets what's gonna hold the side under the countertop. But first I want to line it up, and as a one person it's hard to do it, so I called in for help. Thanks, Ashley. Something like this. And the other thing is we don't have really like straight countertop. It's a little bit bended because it's wood and it's bends and...
This is Canadian style. Ain't nothing straight in here.
Yes.
Well, you're straight. This Robert's the smartass. He's putting some PL on the sink. And maybe some people in the comments will be crying. Why would you put PL on the sink? And may I remind you, we don't know what we're doing. But at least the sink is going to stay in place. How do you like the sink, kid?
It's alright. Could be better.
You say that every time we build something.
I know.
That should be our slogan. Canadian style. Comment and like and subscribe down below. It's alright. Could be better though.
Alrighty, so here we are. I'm going to show you around a little bit what's what. So let's start with the first thing. A beautiful counter door. It's not finished yet.
What's new?
But don't mind the mess, but this is the door.
We're going to do a water system down there.
Yeah, it's not finished yet, but it's going to be easy.
But they look pretty.
Door handles, we're going to use this beautiful rope, and as well for these cupboards we're going to use this rope. The countertop by itself we built, and it's on a previous video, but it's not anymore so shiny because I did sand it off a lot, and now it's really smooth, and it's kind of like not glossy anymore but matte, and
which will probably make it easier to clean.
yeah, I kind of like this better. You saw we built this beautiful cupboards for the spices. Oh, I still need to build like
Oh.
I still need to build like a little rack here for spices and stuff, but I think it's gonna work very good. Oh look.
Oh, Roberts!
That's what I broke. Don't mind.
Canadian stealth, you know, it's good. Could be better though.
This all can be glueable. We can glue it back. See?
I think there's some glue in here.
It's alright. So yeah, and then very important for us was as well to access the plumbing. And this is literally a plumbing door where you can access as well the shower vent cables and the plumbing. If something goes wrong, you can easily just take it on and put the new one in. I'm very happy about this one. And another door here for other things for kitchen or something. I know it's not really straight cut, but it really works. We put beautiful tile stickers. It ended up really, really pretty. I really like it. And then I cut out these trims and sand it down, put it on, painted. Gorgeous. Little edges here, you see it's kind of like a gaps there. But it's all epoxy, you can't even put your fingernail there. And then all this plywood would cover with the same ceiling panels or wall panels, how you call them. And painted it white color. Gives beautiful white color and kind of like this Victorian style, no?
I would say like vintage 70s look.
Yeah, I really, really like it.
Yeah.
And then we found a really beautiful faucet on Amazon.
Faucet.
It was a little bit expensive. I think we paid $110. But this golden color came up in my head and yes.
Excuse me? Excuse me, what? Okay, just so we know here, Ashley chose the color gold, okay?
Okay.
Alright, yeah.
And then we really wanted a deep sink.
You know, to hide the bodies?
Yeah, the sink comes in with like a kind of dish rack inside to dry the dishes. And it's pretty deep, it's 10-inch deep. So when you're on the road and you're not really in the washing dishes mood, then you just store it in. Yeah, and that's the kitchen, and I'm so happy it's done and we don't need to do much anymore here.
The next videos, what are we going to get up to, Roberts?
We definitely should build, first of all, we need to really clean out this box truck. It's very
a little dirty with supplies and tools. We're going to be building a couch right here in the corner. A little dirty right now, but there will be a couch here. And then I'm going to build a hamster enclosure.
Oh yeah, we didn't say we have a hamster.
We bought a hamster.
We have a hamster, so.
You playing with your friend?
My best friend.
I've been replaced.
Look how cute she is. This is gonna be it for the video.
See you in 5 months.
I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Leave some comments down below what you guys think about this kitchen build, and give us some advices. Don't be shy.
Don't be shy. Bash us. Roast us.
We are shy. I'm shy.
Everyone's shy. I'm not shy.
So yeah, thank you so much. See you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.